everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I'm going to be showing you some of my favourite top picks from this weekend's Lookfantastic Easter sale. They currently have up to 40% off lots and lots of products on their website. Plus, if you were to use my code DiaryLF, that will entitle you to receive an extra 11% off on top of already discounted products. It's available Sunday and Monday only. I'll pop all links down below in my description, as well as the codes and the products that I'm showing in this video as well, so you're welcome to take a look. This video is in collaboration with Lookfantastic. They've kindly sponsored this video for me and I got to choose some of my favourite products, and some of them will be familiar. You've probably heard me bang on about some of these before, or certain variations of the products anyway, but yeah, I'm really excited to share with you. So let's show you the first things that I bought. First up, Urban Decay All-Nighter, but this is a little bit different. I've heard of many different variations of the original All-Nighter, but I haven't tried this one before. It's Extra Glow. Now, I was a bit nervous about trying it because if you've been following me for a while, you will know I don't like to look full-on bling because it accentuates all my fine lines and my pores and things like that. But I do love a glowy look. I do love a nice, dewy, youthful complexion as much as I can anyway, without drawing attention to the middle. I don't like the middle of my face. I had to give this a go. It retails for £28 with a discount and my discount code on top. It comes down to £19 something. Long-lasting makeup setting spray, all-day wear, temperature control technology, and lightweight. And yeah, it's Extra Glow. And this is what it looks like. I don't know where the lid is. I took this on holiday with me. I've just come back from Rhodes. I went away for 4 nights with my son. I took some of these products with me so I was able to test them all out so I can share with you my thoughts. So I don't know where the lid is. It might be in one of my suitcases still. I don't know. If you love the original All-Nighter and you're looking for a more dewy complexion, think MAC Prep and Prime, you know, the gold lit? Something along those lines. It has all the hydration, all the staying power, and I really like it. Now, I haven't put any on my face yet. I'll just show you that I know it's going to be wet, so it's going to be, you know, it's going to be more glowy, but give it a while to settle down. It has got a bit of a whiff though. They all do. The original does, but it's fine. It doesn't put me off the product. Right. Can you tell a difference? I can't see because I'm filming with my GoPro. My big camera is out of action. Well, the batteries are flat, so I've just got my GoPro and I can't see what I'm looking at. So hopefully you'll be able to see a bit more of a glow as opposed to this side. I don't know. But yeah, I love it. I love it. I absolutely 100% recommend it if you want a nice, dewy, glowy look, but not full on shimmery, glittery disco ball type, you know? Yeah, I love this. Another item, again, lids. Where the heck has the lid gone? I don't know. I'm really bad. Bondi Sands. I've been using this for years and years and years. It's my go-to fake tan. I do love other brands, Skinny Tan, which I've got a product here from Skinny Tan. Bondi Sands is my foolproof tan. I'm naturally really pale and I like to go as dark as I can. This is a self-tanning foam in dark and there's 200 mils there. This retails for £14.99 with the discount on my code as well. It brings it down to just over £10. As well as dark, they've got light and medium on the website as well. It's a great tan to sleep in. I have never, ever experienced any marks on my bedding from fake tanning. I usually do it at night. I apply it all over at night. Then I wear something really light and loose. And by the time I go to bed, I am not sticky. And yeah, I wake up in the morning, sheets are completely clean, and I'm fully tanned. I still suffer with the odd streak now and again, but with this one, it's not too bad. Other fake tans I've used, and it's really noticeable. It's got a guide color, so it's a foam. You rub it in, you can see exactly where you're applying it. The guide color is a little bit darker than what you will turn out to be, but they do suggest that if you want to increase the shade, then leave it a day and apply it again. So what I tend to do when I go on holiday or away for the weekend or something like that, I tend to use this all over my body, and then a couple of days into wherever I am, I then apply another fake tan. I don't do another full body one because I am still quite tan, but I like to top up my legs and my arms, just basically the areas that I'm showing off. I don't bother with my belly, my bum, my back as such. So this is why I went for this. This is gorgeous, Skinny Tan, and this is the serum. Really nice and easy to apply. This is the mini version. It's the Wonder Serum, and this is 50 mils. This retails for £14.99 with the discount and the code on top. It brings it down to £7.99. It's a gorgeous serum that has a guide colour, so you're able to see exactly, you know, what it looks like on your skin. It really helps with like stripy tiger stripes. If you've had a fake tan on and your skin's a little bit dry, this is gorgeous to put on afterwards. It moisturises your skin as well. Yeah, I do really like it. That's a nice little pot just to pop in my bag, just to do a little bit of a top up then as the week goes on. Next, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is Sol de Janeiro, and this is Rio Dio. Aluminium free deodorant, black amber, plum and vanilla woods. It is beautiful. It retails for £16, and with the discounts and codes on top, you can get it for £12.66. This is so nice. So nice. I've been using this all week, and yeah, you can tell. You can tell. The smell, it's just so lovely. It is so weird. When I first started using it, I was like, oh, I can smell something, and I was thinking it's not my perfume because I've been applying perfume on top, but every now and again, and I just didn't click that it could be my underarms, because normally you don't really smell them. Well, I don't anyway, but with this it is. It's a gorgeous scent. It feels amazing underneath my armpits, nice and soft. Have to be careful though, do not apply it after you've put a top on. Like I'm wearing a black vest top here, and I won't show you, but I've got some white marks underneath where I've applied it to my armpits and then it's rubbed. So you have to be careful that way. It contains coconut oil, mango seed butter, and it's refillable. It says, please refill me. I love this and would definitely buy that again. Next up is an oldie but a goodie. It's Professional by Benefit. It's a primer and it fills my pores in brilliantly. I've been using it for years and years, and I keep on going back to it. It's just a staple in my makeup collection. It retails for £31, and with the discounts and code on top, you can get it for £22.66, I believe. It comes in 3 different sizes. I've got the original size. You can have jumbo or a travel, but this is the original, which is 22 mils. It says smoothing face primer to minimise the look of pores, and it is great. It is great for me anyway. I have got really large pores and they're a nightmare. I really hate them. I don't have acne anymore. Oh, saying that, yeah, weirdly, I'm coming out with a few spots on my chin. I am on medication called spironolactone. It's an androgen blocker, so it reduces testosterone because I have polycystic ovary syndrome. That has caused me to suffer from acne most of my life, but this medication has really helped. But in the last couple of months, I've started getting spots, and any spots around your chin is usually hormonal related, so I need to check that out to see whether I need more or something else. I don't know. It could be thyroid. Oh, I haven't got a clue. Anyway, so I haven't got any spots on my nose, but I've got huge craters. Huge pore craters. You might not be able to see much there. It blends into your skin beautifully. It feels amazing. It's like a moussey formula. Yeah, I love it. And I put it all on my T-zone. So my thinking is, if it's going to blur my pores, it might blur my 11s, might blur my acne scarring. I've got pitted acne scars on my chin, so yeah, so I tend to put it everywhere in the middle. But yeah, I'll always love this. I'll always love that. Next up, I've got something really exciting. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I've already got one, but in a darker shade. This is Vita Liberata. This is Beauty Blur Face for perfect complexion, and I've got it in shade light, and it's in my name, Claire. And there's 30 mils here. Now this retails for £30, but with a discount and code on top, you can get £10 off, bringing it down to 20. This is very much like this, the pore primer, but this is for your face. It's a foundation, BB cream, hybrid. I thought it was fake tan because Vita Liberata are known for having like a gradual tan, fake tanning products, but no, it's not. It washes off. I've got the dark one, so it's really good for when I've got a fake tan on. It makes my face look gorgeous. It's got a bit of a luminosity to it as well. Again, not super glowy, but it's just got a really nice sort of subtle glow to it, which I really like. It blurs, it smooths, it evens my skin tone. Oh, if you ever see a sample of this anywhere, try it. try it and let me know what you think, because I think it's amazing. I think it's really good. The award-winning Complexion Perfector covers imperfections and gives a radiant glow. It contains hyaluronic acid, organic aloe and natural shea butter. So I thought, oh, I'll get a light one for my non-fake tan days. Hopefully you can see. What's that colour like? Oh, that's nice. Yeah. What I've also done as well is with my deep, I think it's called deep or medium. I think I've got medium, which is darker. On my non-fake tan days, I've actually put a blob of this in the medium shade in another foundation. So I've got the glow and the smoothing effect and everything, but also not as dark then. Yeah, I 100% love this. This is so good. Now on to products I haven't tried before, so something completely new for me, and I'd love your opinion as well if you've ever tried any of these. I got myself a set of Redken hair products. Set of 3 here. We got a shampoo, conditioner and a treatment. You can buy them all individually, but I bought them as a set because it brought the price down a bit. The set normally costs £69.20, but with the discount and the code, it brings it down to £43.21. So a massive saving off. I would love to hear if you've tried this. I'm really struggling with my hair at the minute, hence why I've gone a little bit darker. You might not notice, or you might, I don't know. I've gone more of a darker auburn as opposed to a lighter. I've gone down a base shade, so I'm not lightening my hair. I do miss the bright ginger, and I will go back to it. I need to cut my hair first, but yeah, my hair is snapping, it's breaking off, it's thinning. I'm on biotin. I'm on a huge dose of biotin. I have been for the last couple of years. On and off, but not more than a couple of months off. It's just until I can buy my next bottle. But I've got a lot of hormonal problems, and I'm not sure, like with my spots developing as well on my chin, which hasn't happened in the last 8 years. So I'm wondering if something is going on and I need to be checked out, because yeah, my hair isn't great. I've currently got hair extensions in my hair. Now, it's not good for my hair, but I got tape extensions. I put tape extensions in last year when I went to Greece in July, Santorini. I put a full head of tape extensions in, and yeah, I was a bit nervous about it because it does rip your hair. It does rip it out, but they're apparently the kindest for thin, fine hair. Since then, I have tried just an individual row. I've done it twice now. It's just a row, just one row, and it's just to thicken up the ends. Although saying that, my natural hair, you might be able to see strands. My natural hair is actually longer than the tape extensions at the moment, but it just thickens it up for me. It looks natural, plus I'm not damaging the whole of my hair. I'm really self-conscious of my hair. If I didn't have the tape extensions in, or my halo hair extensions, then you would always see me in a low ponytail. You would never see my hair down, because it's just horrible. Cut a long story short, I saw these, read the reviews and thought, right, okay, this really suits me. With Redken and Kerastase, there's so many different ranges that it does confuse me, it does overwhelm me. So I went for these. It's Extreme Strength Repair for damaged hair. The shampoo contains 3% strength protein complex. Conditioner has 4% strength protein complex. And yeah, this Extreme Anti-Snap Treatment Spray. This is anti-breakage leave-in spray. Pricey, but then I have got 3, and they were, what did I say again? Brought it down to, is it £42? Something like that. So not too bad, but I'm hoping that it will work on my hair. If you've tried them, please let me know what you think. Next, I've got a serum. This is from Dr. Jart. This is Cicapair Tiger Grass, designed for sensitive skins. There's 30 mils here. It retails for £41, and with the discounts and the code on top, it brings it down to around £32. I don't have super sensitive skin, as in skin products I can tolerate quite a lot. I have to be careful with tretinoin and retinoids and things like that. I have to do it all gradually, but I do flush a lot. I do flush. The slightest touch and my skin goes bright red, which is why I find it so difficult doing makeup tutorials, especially when I'm doing facial makeup, because it just looks a mess because my skin is so flushed underneath. I do have a lot of anti-redness products, including the cream from this brand, which I really like. So I thought a serum sounds amazing. It says, this repair serum soothes the look of irritated skin, formulated with our proprietary microbiome complex. This serum helps strengthen, balance and improve skin's defense against dryness. Designed for sensitive skin, it includes centella tiger grass with 4 additional herbs which soothe the look of redness and irritation, while Ciccabond helps moisturize dry skin resulting from external stresses. And that's what it looks like. Trying to put my hand there. It's green. It has really good reviews and it feels nice and cooling as well on my skin. So I thought I'd give that a go. Again, if you've tried it, let me know what you think. Lastly, I went for some makeup, and this is by Makeup Forever, and I've got a Aqua Resist Smoky Shadow for your eyes. It retails for £19. With the discount and code on top, it brings it down to £16.89. It's a 3-in-1 eyeshadow, a kohl and a liner, and it comes in, I believe, 7 different shades, or there's quite a few different shades anyway. I wanted to go for this one, which is Volcano, because it's like a gorgeous rusty brown. I love an eyeshadow pencil. Oh, I love them. And in lots of different shades as well. Yeah, that is beautiful. I've got hazel eyes, and this sort of shade really makes my eyes look more green, which is quite cool. I quite like that. So yeah, it's lovely. It's got like a slight metallic look to it, but yeah, it's a gorgeous reddy copper. I love that. Yeah, Volcano. Yeah, so I'll see what that is like on my eyes, see how well it smudges out, and I might get a few others in different shades. 24-hour waterproof multi-use eye colour stick. There you go. So those are all the products I've chosen for this collaboration video with Lookfantastic, letting you all know about the Easter weekend sales, up to 40% off, plus with my code you'll get an extra 11% off. You'll find details down below. But yeah, I'd love to hear if you've tried any of these products. I hope you enjoyed watching, seeing some of the products I've fallen in love with, and also some new products as well that I can't wait to try. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.